In this video, you'll learn how to transfer TOE from your TOE OKX wallet. This process involves a few simple steps, including obtaining your OKX TOE address and confirming the transfer within both wallets. Begin by opening the OKX app or Web3 wallet on your device. Once the application is open, navigate to the Receive section, which is typically found on the main screen or within the wallet interface. In this area, you will need to select the coin you wish to receive, which in this case is T1, also known as Tom coin. After selecting TOM, you will see your unique TO address displayed on the screen. This address usually starts with either EQ or UQ. Before proceeding, it is essential to double check that the network is set to the TN network, ensuring that it is not set to 20 or any other network. Next, open your 2OT space wallet, which can be accessed either through the Telegram app or the standalone TON space application. Once you have opened the wallet, locate and tap the send option. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Here, you will paste the OKX TON address that you copied earlier. After pasting the address, you will need to enter the amount of TON you wish to transfer. It is important to review the transaction details, including the fee associated with the transfer and the address you have pasted, to ensure everything is accurate before moving forward. Once you have confirmed that all the details are correct, tap the send or confirm button to initiate the transaction. At this point, you will be prompted to approve the transaction using your TON space password. Enter your password to authorize the transfer. After you confirm, the transaction will be processed. The transfer speed for TON is typically fast, and you should expect to wait anywhere from 10 to 60 seconds for the transaction to complete. After the waiting period, you can check the status of your transfer in the OKX wallet, open the OKX app again, and navigate to the assets section. Within this section, locate and select TOEN to view your asset balance. Once the transaction has been confirmed on the blockchain, you will see the deposit reflected in your account. Ensure that the amount transferred matches what you sent from your TNO Space wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.